you're also at home. How did it feel?
Very familiar. I guess that's the word to describe it. How would I describe it? Very familiar. I don't know. It's always a good feeling competing again.
First round performance, was that what you expected from yourself?
Yeah, given the fact that nervous, first team as I stated, but I'm going to get myself ready for the second round to hopefully go somewhere.
You're nervous, you said.
Yeah.
What do you think you're going to have to do now to shake that off?
Like running the first round kind of gets it out, feeling, the atmosphere and the competitors as well. So first round normally get me out of that and ready for the second round.
How do you think Jamaica's going to do in the final if all four women are there?
Going for that sweep. Going for that sweep.
All right. Thank you. Just let me get a picture before you.
Don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe.